Okay, hi everybody. I am here with a meal to show you. This is chicken and Chinese vegetables. Show you what that looks like there. This is kind of a leftovery quick stir fry meal. So I had some grilled chicken breasts that Steve had grilled up for us the other night. I just sliced those up into bite-sized pieces. I had some gai lan, which is a bitter Chinese green vegetable, nutrient packed. I get it at my normal grocery store. You could probably get it in the like Asian foods or special foods in your fresh produce aisles. Garlic and avocado oil, salt, that's all that's in this dish. I just sauteed up the gai lan. I just washed it, cut it up, sauteed it with garlic and salt and avocado oil, and then just a little bit of avocado oil, and then I just added in the chicken that was already cooked, stir fried it till it was hot through, and then that's what I'm gonna enjoy. This is actually leftovers. It made quite a bit just because I had a lot of chicken and a lot of gai lan, so that's what I made. I'm gonna enjoy this right now, and then I'll be back with another meal for you guys in a bit. All right, everybody, see you in a bit. Okay, hi everybody. It is lunchtime, and I am having I did some testing today. Got a haircut, as you'll see. And I just am testing this granola, which I'll have out on a video either before this video or right after this video. It turned out so good, and it's got collagen hydroxylate in it to bump up the protein factor in it, which is great. It's crunchy and delicious. So I'm gonna just enjoy a small bowl of that because I'm not super hungry right now for lunch today. And then I'll be back with a video from our evening's dinner. Okay, everybody, see you in a bit. Okay, everybody, I thought I would just show you what we're having for dinner tonight. We do this sometimes, you know, it's summer. We had a bunch of protein in the fridge that we needed to kind of cook up. And then what we'll do is there'll be lots of leftovers for the rest of the week for lunches and stuff. So we're just doing a make your own wrap dinner. So we had some chicken breast, I had some AIP friendly ham, and we had some salmon, and we grilled all of that. I fried up the ham. We had some blueberries from the market. We have a lovely little salad that we'll enjoy. And then I stir-fried some asparagus and onion and garlic. Got some, this is just like coleslaw mix just to put on if you're making like a salmon taco or whatever. And then we've got just tortillas. So we'll all make whatever we want and enjoy that for dinner tonight. The guys will probably put mustard and things on theirs. I don't tend to put sauces on mine necessarily, but you certainly can. So I hope that this just inspires you a little bit for one thing that you can do. And then, like I said, we'll have lots of leftover protein, so we can have salads or other meals. We can add it to stir fries, etc. throughout the rest of the week. All right, everybody, see you in a bit.